All right, SpaceX, let's talk about it. Is it going to fly above the firmament or is it going to crash and burn like the Amazon rocket? I don't know. Uh, let's take a look at the chart real quick here. So it's pre-launch on Friday. So today is actually Wednesday afternoon. So we're looking at basically around this time period right here is when it's about to launch. And if that happens, we're going to need to see a bounce off of this floor level right here with the stochastic RSI, the MACD, and other indicators all need to point up and in the right direction for it to go up. That makes sense, right? Let's take a closer look. The good news is that it's somewhat of building a floor down here at the $162 range. So you can see right here, it touched once, twice, maybe three, four, five times already. Looking at the sixth time. So if it doesn't go below this level right here based on the VWAP, and either bounce down and use that as like a SR or RS flip right here. If it comes back up, well, then you have a good opportunity to make some decent money back here. And if we're not going deep into the Fibonacci levels or just looking at like the prior point where it almost like started that downtrend and this like point of control area, I guess you call it, that would be 20 something percent move from where they would launch here unless it comes back up. So obviously we're looking at 30% move non-leverage, just on spot, if you will. And then if you've been seeing some things online, maybe you're getting flooded into purchasing SpaceX here. They're saying it could do a 3 to 4x multiple before it either sells off or profit taking begins. So what that means for you is that like if it starts to come back up here on launch and say it goes back to like this normal level here, where it had previous support right here, obviously that could do like another 3 4x up here, even more than that actually by percentage wise. Non-leverage, you could be looking at something like this, maybe close to the $700-800 range. I don't know, it's possible. But then usually what happens is profit taking happens, and then if you don't sell it up at this point here, what might happen is it'll retrace and come right back down, round trip people. So you got to be really careful about that. So be very cautious. This is not financial advice, this is just what I'm doing. I think it has a good potential to shoot up really quickly, so I intend to take some profits really quick, wait for it to stabilize, and then get back in with those same profits, hopefully double my money. Now, where can you trade SpaceX? That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked, because in the link in the description or in the comment section here, I have links to exchanges where I'm trading it. If you can't find it on some other exchanges, these ones allow leverage trading. So basically, first one is MetaMask. This is a custodial wallet, or depending how you look at it, non-custodial. It's up to you to custody it, so you don't need permission or anybody else's wherewithal to hold your own crypto. So MetaMask has it. Once you create a wallet and fund it with some cryptos, once you get in there, you'll see it's on leverage. You can trade SpaceX. It'll have like a little button there that says you can trade SpaceX right here. The next one is Variational Omni. Now this one is a perp dex. It runs on the Arbitrum network. So basically you just feed it some stablecoin, USDT, USDC on the Arbitrum network, create your wallet, and then you can start trading immediately. This one you can go up to 20x leverage. So this one's 20x leverage. SpaceX right here, you can see you can already get into it, and 20x leverage on this one. So there's that. The next one is BTCC. This is a great exchange. I use it all the time for all types of trading. They got grid bots, all this type of stuff, TradFi, metals, commodities, this type of thing. It's on here. SpaceX right here. And this one, again, you can do 20x leverage on this as well. But obviously, you want to be really careful. The markets could be extremely volatile. And for that matter, I wish you the best of luck. Let's see what happens here on Friday and over the weekend. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.